We are from RMD Engineering College Department of ECE. We are going to do a mini project on Wayne Bridge oscillator using operational amplifier. Subject name Linear Integrated Circuit. Subject code EC8453. Mentor name M. Jyoti Prasad sir. Team members name S. Vaishnavi, Sharmila J, Swati B, Shivanika K. Introduction: The Wayne Bridge oscillator is also called as the circuit is based on a frequency-selective form of the Wheatson bridge circuit. The oscillator is based on a basic circuit originally developed by Max Wayne in 1891 for the measurement of impedance. The bridge compresses four resistors and two capacitors. The oscillator can also be viewed as a positive gain amplifier combined with a bandpass filter that provides positive feedback. Automatic gain control, intentional nonlinearity, and incidental nonlinearity limit the output amplitude in various implementations of the oscillator. The total phase shift of the oscillator is from the 360° or 0 degrees.
The components that we use in this Wayne Bridge oscillators are transistor UA741, resistor, capacitor, DC source, voltage and level marker, ground, connecting wires. The Wayne Bridge oscillator is an audio frequency sine wave oscillator of high stability and simplicity. The feedback signal in this circuit is connected to the non-inverting input terminal so that the operational amplifier is working as a non-inverting amplifier. The series and parallel combination of RC network form a lead lag circuit. The working principle of Wayne Bridge oscillator. The Wayne Bridge oscillator uses a feedback circuit consisting of a series RC circuit connected with a parallel RC of the same component values producing a phase delay or phase advance circuit depending upon the frequency. The phase shift at the resonant frequency is 0 degree. The closed loop circuit of the Wayne Bridge oscillator gives the positive feedback. For sustained oscillation, the amplifier must have a gain of precisely 3. However, from particular point of view, AV may be slightly less or greater than 3. To compensate the change, an adaptive negative feedback is used. Since the amplifier works as a non-inverting amplifier, the feedback network will not provide any phase shift. The circuit can be viewed as Wayne Bridge with a series RC network in one arm and a parallel RC network in the adjoining arm. Resistor R1 and RF are connected in the remaining two arms. The condition of zero phase shift is obtained by balancing the bridge.
Simulation profile. Runtime value 5 milliseconds. Start saving data after 0 seconds. Maximum step size 0.001 milliseconds. Simulation output. We got the output in sine wave form. Application. It is used to measure the audio frequency. Wayne Bridge oscillator designs the long range of frequency. It produces sine wave.
Advantages: distortion technique of power amplifiers. The perfect sine wave output is possible. It is useful to audio frequency range 20 Hz to 100 kHz. To fabricate pure tune, long distance can be spanned by resting beams. Disadvantage: if instead of op-amp transistorized amplifiers to be used, then most stages are required to obtain zero phase shift between input and output. The frequency stability is poor. The circuit needs a high number of other components. Thank you.